Oh, I was going to say, do you have your, and there's a reason why I'm asking. I'm just curious. Do you have your MOS certification?
Yes, sir. See,
Oh,
micro.
the reason I asked, my wife and I were out to dinner not too long ago. There were some young people in the table behind us. They were talking about computers. It went over my head. But a young lady was talking about she had her Microsoft MOS certification. And the reason I remember that is the MOS, it's a term used in the military. I know it is in the Army for job classification. That's why I remembered
Let,
that.
let me tell you one thing, sir. Microsoft has a millions of customers, right? So
Uh-huh.
they give few companies authorization or permission to fix all the Microsoft brands. So they gave us certification to fix all the Microsoft and Windows brands. All right.
Okay.
Okay. So in this case, what I'll do, I will be providing you simple steps on the computer. Just follow with me one by one, and I will figure it out what's the main root cause of the problem. Okay.
Okay, good. Yeah, good.
All right. Now, is it a laptop or a desktop which you are using right now?
Desktop? Yeah, desktop.
Desktop. All right. Okay. Now do one thing. Look at your keyboard. Have a look on the keyboard.
Okay.
On the keyboard, do you aware about Windows key?
No.
Okay, let me tell you where it is. Do you see letter Z key there? Z as in zebra.
Yes, yes.
Just below that key, there is a four flag on a key. Do you see
Oh, yeah,
that now?
yeah, yes. Yeah, I see that. Yeah.
That's right. Now you need to, with the help of your one finger, you need to press and hold down the Windows key and simultaneously press the letter R key and
Okay.
release both the keys.
Okay. Press the Windows key and the R key. Okay. A little
And
box popped up. It says run. Type the.
absolutely right. Absolutely right. Now you need to type in the run box from the beginning in lowercase
Mm-hmm.
letter I as in Indiana,
Okay.
then letter E as in Edward,
Okay. E.
then letter X is an X-ray,
Okay. X.
then letter P as in Pennsylvania,
P.
then letter L as in Lima,
L.
then letter O as in Oscar,
O.
then letter R as in Romeo,
R.
then letter E as in Edward.
E.
Mhm. Now give it a space bar like a single space.
Yeah.
After the space, type in there fast, like running fast. FAST, fast.
Okay.
Then without any space, type in there support. Like the way I'm supporting you, the word is support.
Okay.
SUPPORT, support.
Okay. Fast support. Okay.
Then .com.
.com.
Now press OK, which is underneath that.
Okay.
And once you do that, it's giving you another browser which is telling you enter your name and a support key. Establish support connection. Do you see that?
Yes, it's establish support connection.
That's right. Now enter your first and your last name there, and I'm giving you a support key. Once you're ready for the key, do let me know.
Okay. That's spelled my last name. Hang on a minute.
That's okay. Take your time.
Okay, and support key.
Support key goes with a numeric number. It is 662,
662.
then 387,
387.
then 967.
9 7. Okay.
Right. Now click on continue.
Okay. It says okay,
Run.
run, go to assist, and it says
That's right.
okay, do you want
Now
to
click on
run?
yes, click on the run.
Okay.
After that, wait for a while. You will get another option. Then click on the yes.
Okay. Okay, it's still something's installing. Connecting. Okay. Okay.
Now, if you could see my name there, Bob, as well, which is
Yeah,
Steve
Steve
Smith. Now
Smith
click
has
on the yes.
invited you. Yes.
Click on the yes. All right. Now, your name is Bob, right?
That's correct.
Oh, Bob is one of my very good friend, you know.
Well, that's Bob's very common name.
That's right.
Even spelled the same way backwards.
That's right. So now, Bob, congratulations that your computer is connected to the safe and secure server, Microsoft server. If you could see, my mouse is moving on your screen. Do you see that?
Yeah, I see that. Yeah.
Right? Now, you just sit back and relax. If you wish, you can have a glass of water or a cup of coffee.
Okay.
Let me go ahead and diagnose this computer for you and let you know what's the main cause of the problem. Okay?
Okay.
All right. So this error you are talking about, right?
Yes, that's it.
All right. Give me a minute. Mm. So Bob, since how long have you been using this computer with you?
Oh, my grandson initially gave this. I'm thinking about a year and a half ago, maybe a little longer. I'm not quite sure.
Okay, give me a minute.
He had to. We had maybe about 3 or 4 months ago. We had a severe thunderstorm and lightning strike. Didn't strike my house, but it did some damage to my computer. My grandson replaced the motherboard. He said, yeah, he replaced the motherboard on it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I would like to inform you that this is a very good computer with a very good configuration which you have.
Yes, okay. Good.
Like your grandson has a fantastic choice about computer, you know. Now give me a minute. Let me go ahead and check for the things in this computer, okay?
Okay.
So which kind of a work do you like use this computer for?
I just do research from time to time when needed.
Okay. All right. And apart from you, is there anyone else uses it?
My wife uses it occasionally. She goes on Facebook. I don't go on Facebook, but she does. She may look up cooking recipes or whatever.
All right. Okay. So just give me a minute, okay? Let me scan it for you. All right.
Okay. What's this right here? I've never seen this before.
That's a scanning report. Do you see this? Microsoft Windows and Microsoft Corporation. Can you see that?
Yes, I do. Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
This will help to us to diagnose your machine. Okay.
Okay. Now, what are you actually looking for?
Scanning. This is scanning your computer and your network, and after that it will find out that what's the main cause of the problem. Okay?
Oh, okay.
Mozilla. Can you see this?
Yeah,
Viruses
virus, infectos.
and infection. Infectious is a terms of infections, okay?
Infectios
It's a
is
codon.
infectios is an infection. Okay.
Hacking,
Hacking connection
hacking connect
activity.
active.
Who's
Right.
who's hacking my computer?
Let me check it for you. Okay. Can you see this active connection?
Yeah.
Can you see this local address and foreign addresses?
Yeah.
And they're using your name and they're established on your network. Can you see that established? Right? So let me tell you one thing, Bob. What they do, they are attack your computer with the help of network. Okay?
Okay. Now what's
Because
wait a
not.
minute. These are you're saying where the hackers at? You're saying those are hackers?
These are hacking connections.
Where at? I'm curious.
They are established. Like whatever website you go through, they can see what you are doing. Or maybe possible they are using another person information in your network.
What does close wait mean?
Close wait, which means they are waiting for the time when you open that website which they want to steal your information.
Yeah. I had no
Okay.
idea. I had no idea hackers were in my computer.
See, sir, you know very well that in these days there are so many, hacking attempts are running, right?
Yeah.
Every day, computer being hacked, their accounts being hacked. So that is the reason Microsoft is giving you this 3D security. Whenever somebody is trying to hack it, you are getting this warning. Okay?
Oh, okay.
So do not worry. Every problem has a solution. I will be giving you the best solution which is possible for this computer and your network. Okay?
Okay.
First of all, sir, in this computer, there are two types of security. First is antivirus security. What is antivirus security? Antivirus security remove all the viruses, infections, and malicious softwares from your machine. Sorry for the mistake. So, softwares from your machine. Okay?
Okay.
An antivirus responsibility to scan your computer and remove all these problems that you're getting from the internet. Okay?
Okay.
After that, there is another security which called firewall security. Now, what firewall security do? Firewall security is just like a main door at your home. If you close the main door at your home, no one stranger gets into your home, right?
Yeah.
So they block all the hacking connections and
I don't know what
hacking
I don't know why hackers would want to be in my computer. I have no information on my computer. I don't keep any personal information on my computer. I don't even use my computer that much.
Let me tell you, Bob, what hacker do, what they want your internet, right? With the help of your internet, they are doing fraud activity by your internet. Okay, with the help of your internet, they are doing fraud activities.
Oh, I
and
see.
After that, if something happens wrong, then blame goes to you that you did this.
Yeah.
Right? You got it? That's the motive of the hackers. That's the reason they are not using their network. They are using other people's network.
Ah, okay.
Got it?
Yeah, I see. Yeah. Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
So these two security are required on your computer and your network. Okay?
Okay.
All right. and it will take around 60 to 90 minutes to fix all the issues.
Okay.
All the issues like to clean up the computer, remove all the viruses, infections, okay? Remove all the unwanted softwares and corrupted
what are
files.
the unwanted software? I'm just curious.
Let me tell you. What is unwanted software? Do you see the CC cleaner?
Yeah.
Do you
My grandson said to keep that, click on it every once in a while to clean my
let,
system.
let me tell you, sir, this is a free one. This is does not work in your computer. It's just like to occupy a space in your machine. That is not cleaning up the viruses. They cannot protect your computer from the hackers. It's just showing to you that it's cleaning your computer. That's it. But it doesn't done anything.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's come to the point. And over here, there we go. Now, removing all the unwanted softwares and corrupted files. After that, securing everything. Okay? Like all the websites so that they cannot hack your machine or your information with the help of any shopping website from any other different sites. Okay?
Okay. Yeah.
Website and computer hard drive. Do you know the computer hard drive?
Yeah. A hard
It's
drive.
brain on your machine. Yes.
Okay.
All right. And after that, your personal information. Don't think, sir, that you are not using computer. So this is nobody gonna mess up with them. Anyone can misuse your machine with the help of their bad motives. Are you on the speakerphone, sir?
No. I'm using a web-based. My grandson set it up. See, I have tremors. My hand shakes. So if I can't hold a phone because my hand shakes, and I don't like
Oh,
using the speakerphone. I have a
that's good.
speakerphone on my landline, but I don't like it. So I use a headset that leaves my hands
Okay.
clear because my hands shake. I have essential tremors.
I see, I see. Okay, Bob. So you understand so far that what needs to be done within
Yeah,
60 to
somewhat.
90 minutes?
Yeah, somewhat, I guess.
Right.
Yeah,
Okay.
I know.
And once it's being done, after that, the technician will install the antivirus security plus a firewall security in the computer. Now, the best part is that you will get one more thing, which is unlimited technical support. So that in future, see, Bob, problem is something which can come in your life any point of time, right? You cannot read the future. What will happen tomorrow, right or wrong?
Yeah, that's true. You can't read the future. That's for sure.
That's right. So in future, if you have any problem with the computer, you will get unlimited technical support, which means you're getting one of the toll-free number from us where you can dial 24 by 7. If you have any problem with your computer, you just share your customer ID and the technician will fix your problem without charging even a single penny. Got it?
Okay.
So you understand so far?
Yeah.
Very good. Now, Bob, I would like to ask you this antivirus security and a firewall security in order to protect your device and your information and your personal things. For how long you want to protect it? For the long time period or for the short time period?
Oh, well, I'm a senior citizen. I'm just collecting Social Security. I'm going to say short term.
Okay. So I'll let you know the plan. First of all, you told me that you are a senior citizen, right?
That's correct.
Okay. And if you don't mind, you doesn't sound like a senior citizen. You
Oh,
sound
believe me,
not more than 45.
No, I wish I was. I'm 68.
Oh, I see. Well, I cannot imagine, and even I cannot commit that I'm speaking with a person who's not who's 65 around.
Yeah, I wish I
How
was
do you
younger.
manage this beautiful town?
I don't know. I wish I, w- I wish I was younger.
Oh, very good, sir. So let me tell you, sir, as you're a senior citizen, so there are a few benefits on it which are available to you. Okay. So I'm gonna letting you know the prices which are available for you and what's the benefit you're getting in there. Okay.
Okay.
First of all, could you please tell me, Bob, that this is the only computer which you have at your home, or you do
No,
have any other computer,
n-
like any other device?
no, this is the only computer that I have.
Okay. So let's start with a 1 year. Okay.
Okay.
It's starting with a 1 year of antivirus security plus firewall security. This is very much important. Okay. Plus unlimited technical support. Got it?
Okay. Yeah.
So you understand? Which
Yeah.
means 1 year your computer is protected, your network is protected, and you have support so that in future if you have any problem, you can get in touch with us and we are there for you. Okay?
Okay.
So it comes with 1 year, then it comes with 3 year, and then it comes with 5 year. Okay?
Yeah, I'll go with the 1 year.
Okay, I'll let you know the prices, sir. If you go to the 1 year one, okay, it is a one-time payment of 299.99.
Well, it's not
If
too
you go to the
bad.
if you go to the 3 year one, that is more cheaper because the less money you're spending, the more longer you will be protected. That is for the 3 year. And if you go to the 5 year one, that is only for this much.
Yeah, I think I'll
This
just
is
stick
for
with. I think I'll just stick with the 1 year, and if it goes well, then I'll go for a longer plan.
no problem, sir. That's not a problem. So in order to get it registered, first of all, I would like to ask you, do you have a printer so that I can print for you all the things?
Yeah, but I don't think it's working right now. Actually, it's out of ink. My wife has got to pick up ink for it.
That's that's okay, sir. That's okay. So what I want from your side is your complete name, your email address where you want me to email you all the documents, your complete address with a city, state, and a postal code, and your phone number, the best phone number. So you can write this
Okay.
information down by your own.
Okay. Wait a minute. I have a question before I continue. Hang on.
Go ahead.
Bear with me. Hang on a minute. Now, this you ran the what was it? The tree command.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And let's see. Let's go home. That's tree command. Now, he said I had viruses and infectos, infections and viruses. Um, let me um, let me show you something.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, this is the tree command. It graphically displays folder structure or driver path, and that's what you used. This is an old DOS command. It does not detect any malware or any computer issues. You there? Well, he hung up on me. Let me minimize this page. Hang on a minute. Let me disconnect. Okay, let me make sure he's disconnected. I'll disconnect my internet there. Okay. Okay, system information. I'll come back to that. Now, what he had done was he ran the tree command. Now, the tree command is an old DOS command that's been around before Windows operating system. Goes back to the MS DOS days. Uh, it is an external command. Now, when I pressed the enter key, it had viruses. Infect those. He he said that these mean that they're infections. And here he's got viruses, infect those viruses, infections. he repeated it, and hacking. Now, when I pressed the enter key, it showed virus. Virus is not recognized as an internal or external command. Now, I explained this in part one of my videos that I'm putting out. I haven't uploaded them to YouTube yet, but it covers this. And now, what I did was, let me clear this, make it a little bit simpler. The tree, followed by the help switch /?. It graphically displays the folder structure or driver path. Now, sometimes they'll use the F switch. Now, this is not, nowhere here does it state that it scans for malware or any computer issues, and it does not. You see a blinking cursor. It's waiting for your input, my input, anybody who's sitting between the keyboard and the chair. That's just a scam tactic. Now I'm going to clear this. Now we also use netstat. Wait and see what happens here. Okay, he told me that these were hackers under the foreign address. Now these are not hackers. Now he said close wait. The hackers were basically just waiting to get into my computer. Close wait just means that the foreign side, this is also referred to as the remote address. Now the remote port has finished sending to the local port, but the local port hasn't received that message yet. That's all that means. Now I'm going to type in netstat. I'm going to type in -b. I'm going to hyphen bn. Now this gives me the process name. Now the 127.0.0.1. This is the loopback address, also referred to as a local host. It's referring to your computer. In other words, your computer is connected to itself. Now over to the right, you see Bob. Now that's the name I gave my PC when I installed my operating system. Now when I use the N switch on the remote side or the foreign side, it changed to the IP. As you can see, instead of Bob, it's the loopback address. Once again, my computer is connected to itself. Of course, to the right it is the ports. Now to the left, under the local address, and when I use the B, as you can see, I used the BN switch. The B gave me the process name. It's Waterfox. This is my browser, and here's Malwarebytes service, which is closed wait. That's not established. So these are not hackers. They want you to believe that these are hackers. Now, let's see if I can X out on this. I'm going to hold down the escape key. I'm just going to hold it down.
Important security alert.
Now,
Virus intrusions detected on your computer. Your personal data and system files may be at serious risk.
Let me X out on this. Okay, leave page. Okay, here's another one. Nope, that's not another one. Now here is the command prompt where he typed in netstat. Here is the foreign addresses he highlighted. This is where he told me I had hackers. As I said previously, now these aren't hackers. So this is actually my second scam baiting that I've done. No, another thing is I asked him in the beginning if he was MOS certified. Asked him if he was a Microsoft certified technician and if he was an MOS certified. Now he said yes. Now MOS is Microsoft Office Specialist. That entails Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. They do not dispense technical support. So he had no idea what the MOS was. So now that concludes this video. I'm going to attempt to do another one. And thank you for watching.